In this video we will see how to program a ultrasonic sensor. This is the model. It has a analog output 4 to 20. Input is 24 to 32 volt. Sensing range is 50 to 800 and adjustable range is 70 to 800 mm. We'll just go to the wiring connection. Pin number 1 positive 24 volt. Pin number 2 is a teaching input that you do a program. Pin number 4 analog output that is going to a display meter or a PLC. Pin number 3 is 0 volt. So here is the setup. This is already connected with the power, so I'm actually using this plug M12, and I don't think you can see the number, but there are number 1 2 3 4, and this yellow wire is pin number 2, that is your teaching pin, and there is the red wire is a 24 volt, blue is a 0 volt, and green is going to the PLC. In the back, this form is a PLC, and this has a 16-bit representation for the data, so you will see 32767 maximum. Okay, now let's start. Now I place the target, and now I'm going to set this one A1. I say my 0 point low range. So yellow wire pin number 2, I'm going to supply 0 volt. Now A1 is set. Place your target to a second set point, and then supply a 24 volt. So now set point 1 and set point 2 has been set up. Okay, so now we will see how it works. Okay, so if I place this one more or less in between those two set points, I must get around 50%. And if I move this one to my second set point, so I should get something 100. There is 99.56%. Actually there is a little bit delay. If I move this target to a set point 1, so here I should get 0 or 0.12. So there it is. This is the 0 set point. Move it to a 50%. There it is, and that is the 100%. Thank you very much for watching this video.